Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Dee Dee from Dexter's laboratory on Dress to Impress. So let me just put on more lashes here because she does have like a lot of like really thick lashes. Let me just adjust it real quick so it fits where I want it to fit. For the hair, I think I'm going to use I really want just like the ponytail, but I'm not sure if I can do that. I mean, I think I'm just going to use the like long pigtails. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Let's see. Let's do no bangs, and I'm just going to color it this yellow. FFB74A. I'm just going to add the default ears real quick. Then for the outfit, she wears like kind of like a ballerina outfit-ish. Just going to use this one, and I'm going to color it maybe this pink, a little bit darker though, and a little bit more on the pink side, maybe like this. Just going to save that color. For the top, I think I'm going to use this one in that color, so in matte. Then I'm just going to add these shorts to like close this up in the same color as well. Then I'm gonna just put this on first and we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to color it white. And then for the ballet shoes, I'm going to use these ones obviously in the ballet toggle. Okay, they don't really work. Hold on, let me just remove these first. And I am going to color them that same pink color for everything. I wish we could have added those socks. What if we tried like the no feet maybe? I mean, we can just use that. And that is pretty much it really. It's super simple. No VIP needed for this one. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.